Lee A Tregurtha, Dakota Spar on 8.
Lee A on 8.
Hey, good morning, sir. I'm not sure if you're tracking it in your chats with Chip there, but we are inbound at the Duluth aerial lift bridge, trying to loosen up this ice here. It is pretty thick after last night's storm on the Duluth side. I'm currently about 1,000 yards or so from the lift bridge, and I'm making just about a knot here, trucking through it. It's all loose pancake, but it is very consolidated and snow covered, and our track is not holding well behind us as it is all drifting around. So I just wanted to give you a heads up and that we're out here. My intention is to come in through the lift bridge, and if you guys need help, if you get going out here, just give me a shout on 8, okay?
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, we'll be back.
Sure thing, sir. Sounds good. Safe transit. We'll be standing by on 8 if you guys need anything at all from us.
Duluth aerial bridge to Lee A.
Lee A Tregurtha, aerial lift bridge, go ahead.
Sir, just let you know we're turning around here on our way out. We'll give you a shot there at cargo.
Sounds good. Appreciate the heads up, Cap.
Duluth aerial bridge to Lee A.
Lee A Tregurtha, aerial lift bridge, go ahead.
Yeah, sir, just come out the car.
Sounds good. On our way up, Cap.
Oh, look at this contraption.
Good morning, visitors. The vessel you're seeing depart through the Duluth Ship Canal is the Lee A Tregurtha. The Lee A Tregurtha was built as the USS Chihuahua in 1942 by the Bethlehem Shipbuilding and Dry Dock Company of Sparrows Point, Maryland. She measures 826 feet in length, 75 feet in width, and 39 feet in depth. She is powered by two 4,000 horsepower, 6-cylinder Rolls-Royce Bergen diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 15 knots, or about 17 miles per hour. She is also equipped with bow and stern thrusters to aid maneuverability in port. The Lee A Tregurtha has 24 hatches on deck, which open into 5 cargo holds below. Each hatch cover measures 48 feet by 11 feet. What you folks just heard there was a captain's salute or standard salute, greeting initiated by the Lee A Tregurtha and returned by the aerial lift bridge. The Lee A Tregurtha has a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo without the aid of shoreside equipment. And the Lee A Tregurtha is currently owned and operated by the Interlake Steamship Company of Middleburg Heights, Ohio. The Lee A Tregurtha was named in honor of Mrs. Dorothy Lee Anderson Tregurtha, wife of Interlake Steamship owner Mr. Paul R. Tregurtha. The Tregurtha saw service during World War II as a U.S. Navy fleet tanker in several convoys. She sailed in the Atlantic and Pacific, earning 2 battle stars and the Navy Occupation Service Medal Asia, which are proudly displayed on the side of her pilot house. She earned one of those battle stars in March of 1943, when her convoy was attacked by 17 German U-boats in the Atlantic. After the war, she was later acquired by the Cleveland Cliffs Steamship Company and lengthened and converted for greater 2006. The historic Interlake Steamship Company was founded in 1913 by the massive mining and steel producing Pickens, Mather and Company, which began operating ships in 1883. The fleet was sold into private hands in 1987 and currently operates 9 ships and 1 integrated tug barge unit on the Great Lakes. Once again, folks, you are seeing the departure of the Lee A Tregurtha, making her way back out onto the Great Lakes. She's going to be making her way out to Marquette, Michigan for a load of iron ore pellets to kick off her shipping season.
What's our little Canadian doing there? Looks like he's poking toward us now. Yeah, she's coming in. Alright, she's coming in. Where?
Yep, yeah, she's coming in.
Okay.
Lee A Tregurtha, are you calling Spar?
Alright, that Lee A on 8 here. Kind of that's here. Almost on the way out. Say 9,000 yards. We're doing everything we can to get moving. It's not looking promising.
Okay, sir, understood. So you are beset, but not in immediate danger, is that correct?
Well,
Probably later today.
Okay, thanks, sir. Yeah, I'm sure you're watching us over here. We're still trying to work our way out of the Superior side. Once we are able to get moving here and make sure CSL Niagara is going to be safe, we'll come over and free you up.
Roger that.
Thanks, sir. Let us know if your condition changes, and I will be doing our best to get free over here and start working our way towards you.